Hey class, I welcome you to this session. This session is about liquidity ratio. We have already completed current ratio. Liquidity ratio is divided into current ratio as well as liquid ratio or quick ratio or asset test ratio. The three terminologies means the same. So liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets divided by the current liability. So before going into this formula, we will understand what is liquid assets. Liquid asset, when you look into this liquid asset, there should be two terms that you need to understand before moving to the liquid asset. One is prepaid expenses, another one is inventories. Prepaid expenses are nothing but the expenses that you are incurred prior to whatever the benefit that you are going to enjoy. That is called as prepaid expenses. Say for example, you have recharged for rupees 150. That gives you an unlimited SMS unlimited calls and 2 GB per day data. Okay, so you have not expended this benefit, you have not at all expended this benefit, but you have paid that money previously in order to enjoy the benefit at the future point of time. That is called as prepaid expenses. Say in business world also there is a prepaid expenses that are there. Okay, so those expenses, can it be converted into cash? The answer is no. Okay, another one is inventories. What is inventories? Inventories is nothing but stocks. Stocks means, see, certain stocks are fast moving. It can be readily converted into cash. Certain goods are slow moving. The convertibility of cash is it takes a very long period of time. So obviously it cannot be termed into quick assets, that is cash assets. It cannot be termed as so. It may take 1 year, it may take 2 years in order to be sold. Till then it will be lying in your godown. Then in that case it cannot be treated as cash. So obviously these two elements has to be excluded from your current assets in order to arrive at liquid ratio. So what is liquid ratio? Liquid asset is nothing but current asset minus inventory plus prepaid expenses. This is called as your liquid assets. Okay, so we'll just discuss the formula. Quick revision of formula. So liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory and prepaid expenses. Standard accepted is 1:1. If liquid ratio is less than 1, it means that the current liability are more than its liquid or quick assets. We'll just go through one problem related to this. So current asset is 1,50,000, inventories is 25,000, prepaid expenses is 25,000 and current liability is 1 lakh. In order to calculate the liquid ratio, we have to use this formula, liquid asset divided by current liability. What is liquid asset? Liquid asset is nothing but current asset minus inventory, prepaid expenses. If you minus 1,50,000 with 50,000, you get 1 lakh and your current liability is 1 lakh. So 1:1 is your liquid ratio. Okay, this ratio is very important for banks and financial institution. You have to keep in mind. This is very important for banks and financial institutions. They will check the liquidity position of the organization before providing any financial aid, financial help to the organization. Okay, we'll move to this problem. Now look into this problem. Current asset is equal to 3 lakhs, inventory 60,000, working capital 2,52,000. Ratio, current ratio and liquid ratio. You need to find current ratio as well as liquid ratio. Now we have working capital. Remember this always. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. This we know. Current asset is equal to working capital plus current liability. This we do not know. We have derived at this formula. Current liability is equal to current asset minus working capital. Okay, so you should understand that when working capital moves to current asset and current asset moves to working capital position, there is a change of symbol. Okay, when current liability moves to working capital and working capital in turn moves to current liability position, there is no change of symbol. Okay, remember this formula very carefully. I'm writing it one more time. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Current asset is equal to working capital plus current liability. Current liability is equal to current asset minus working capital. So this formula is key to solving any problem in ratio analysis, especially liquidity ratio. Okay, moving to the problem now. Current asset is equal to 3 lakhs. So they have asked us to find what is current ratio, which is nothing but current asset divided by current liability. They are also asking us to find what is liquid ratio, which is liquid asset divided by current liability. Fine. So current asset is 3 lakhs. We do not know what is current liability. We have working capital, which is 2,52,000. Okay, working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. What is current asset? We have current asset 3 lakhs minus current liability. We do not know what is current liability. We have the formula how to find current liability. So current liability is equal to current asset minus working capital. Now current asset is 3 lakhs minus 2,52,000, which is nothing but 48,000. Current liability. We have found what is current liability. So now we can find what is the current ratio, because we have current asset divided by current liability 48,000. So 3 lakhs minus, deducted 48,000, we get 6.25 This is our current ratio. Now moving to liquid ratio. Liquid ratio is nothing but liquid asset. Now what is liquid asset? Liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. Now current asset is 3 lakhs minus inventory 60,000. So 3 lakhs minus 60,000 is 2,40,000, which is our current liability, liquid asset, divided by current liability 48,000. So we get 2,40,000 divided by 48,000. 5:1 is our liquid ratio. So we have found what is current ratio as well as liquid ratio. So I hope that this sum is easy. Moving to the next one. Current liability is 6 lakhs. Current ratio is 3. Liquid ratio is 1. Calculate inventory. We have current liability. So liquid ratio, see, these problems are not direct questions. You need to reverse working. By way of reverse working, we need to find. Liquid ratio is equal to 1:1. What does mean 1? It means 1:1. What is liquid ratio? Liquid ratio is nothing but liquid asset divided by current liability. Now liquid 1:1. Now we have current liability. What is, I am solving this. 1 divided by 1 is equal to liquid asset divided by current liability 6 lakhs. Which means liquid asset is also 6 lakhs. Okay, now I got my liquid assets. Now I need to, I have current ratio. I have current ratio which is 3:1. 3 divided by 1. So what is current ratio? Current asset divided by current liability. Now I am just solving this to current 3 divided by 1 is equal to current asset divided by, what is my current liability? 6 lakhs. Now I want what is current asset. I am cross multiplying. So 3 into 6 lakhs is equal to current asset. So 18 lakhs will be current asset. Now will I be able to find out what is inventory? Inventory is nothing but current asset minus liquid asset. What is current asset? 18 lakhs minus liquid asset 6 lakhs. So my inventory is equal to 12 lakhs. Please write rupees 12 lakhs. Please mention what is the denominator, and also ratio you need to write 5:1, 6.25:1. Okay, don't write 5, 6.25 alone. Keep practicing. Thank you, class.